Viewers, over the last few weeks, there has been a lot of politics over reservation for SCs, STs and OBCs as well as Muslims. In the thick of the Lok Sabha polls, this face-off has escalated into a series of claims and blistering counter-claims, mostly involving the 4% quota of Muslims that has been in place in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh since 2007 when the two states were still undivided. In the latest, the BJP's senior leaders have hit out at the Congress party and Rahul Gandhi, accusing him of lying in his claims about the BJP wanting to cross 400 seats this time around to amend the constitution and entirely scrap reservations for SC, ST and OBCs. First and loudest among these was Amit Shah. Listen in.
कर्नाटक में कांग्रेस की सरकार आई, 5% आरक्षण मुसलमानों को दिया। हैदराबाद में कांग्रेस की सरकार थी, 5% आरक्षण मुसलमानों को दिया। किसका कटा? जरा जोर से बोलो, किसका कटा? ओबीसी का कटा, पिछड़े वर्ग का कटा। राहुल बाबा झूठ मत बोलो, पिछड़े वर्ग के आरक्षण को कम करने का काम अगर किसी ने किया है तो ये कांग्रेस पार्टी ने किया है। एटा कासगंज वालों, इन लोगों ने झूठ की फैक्ट्री खोल कर रखी है। ये राहुल बाबा अभी अभी पिछड़ा वर्ग के नाम पर झूठ फैला रहे हैं। वो कह रहे हैं कि भाजपा को 400 सीटें दी तो भाजपा आरक्षण हटा देंगे। ये राहुल बाबा में समझ नहीं है भैया। आरक्षण हटाने के लिए पूर्ण बहुमत 2 टर्म से भाजपा के पास है, नरेंद्र मोदी के पास है, परंतु नरेंद्र मोदी जो है वो आरक्षण के समर्थक है। मैं आज मोदी की गारंटी कहकर जाता हूं, SC, ST और पिछड़ा वर्ग का आरक्षण ना भाजपा हटाएगी, ना किसी को हटाने देगी। ये मोदी का गारंटी।
Now, why has the Home Minister had to come out and issue such a potent rebuttal? The main reason is a post by Rahul Gandhi. He claimed the BJP wants 400 par plus seats in the Lok Sabha to do away with reservations for SC, ST, OBCs. Rahul isn't the only one who has made the claim. Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, while calling the Prime Minister a cobra, also claimed the BJP would end reservation for backward classes. Instead, the Home Minister has emphatically said that nobody can touch these quotas while Prime Minister Modi is there. Let's listen into first what Revanth Reddy said.
కానీ మోడీ కాల నాగులా అంటోడు, తోక దొక్కితే ఊకునే టైపు కాదు. పగ పెట్టుకుంటాడు, పగ పడతాడు, ఎక్కడున్నా ఇడవడు. అందుకే ఈ ఎన్నికల్లో ఎట్లయినా 400 సీట్లు గెలవాలి, రాజ్యాంగాన్ని సమూలంగా మార్చాలి, ఈ దేశంలో ఉండే రైతులను అదాని అంబానీలకు బానిసలుగా మార్చాలి, ఈ దేశంలో ఉండే దళితులు గిరిజనుల బలైన వర్గాల రిజర్వేషన్లు రద్దు చేయాలని కంకణం కట్టుకొని బయలుదేరి.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.